Nowadays, even smartphones have sufficiently strong cameras to make a decent YouTube clip. But if you're a vlogger or an influencer, you might want to consider upgrading your setup a bit. And we've handpicked only the strongest, best-selling cameras from huge brands such as Sony, Canon, GoPro, and more. In our selection of the finest YouTube cameras, you'll find a lot of variety in terms of both price and performance, but rest assured that each of the following cameras will be able to help you improve your YouTube rating in a jiffy. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Now let's get started. Let's open up our review of the best cameras for YouTube with DJI's Osmo Pocket camera. Basically, this might not be the smallest camera to have ever been made, but it's definitely among the most portable, pocket-friendly cameras on the market. Its size is precisely the reason why we've picked it for today's review, as its dimensions measure 4.8 inches by 1.5 inches by 1.1 inches, and it weighs only 4.1 ounces. This is a handheld camera that features 3-axis gimbal type stabilization, 12 megapixels, and a 2.3-inch CMOS sensor as its core features. The performance of DJI's Osmo Pocket is great, but you will be able to completely step up your game if you upgrade the Osmo Pocket with some custom accessories. The Osmo Pocket has its own waterproof case that can survive being submerged up to some 60 meters of depth. The wireless module allows you to shoot videos in a substantially more flexible way, as it is compatible with the remote controller and it can be used as a form of a base for your Osmo Pocket. Lastly, the best accessory you could equip your Osmo Pocket with is the extension rod. This accessory sports numerous mounting brackets that provide a myriad of extra shooting options. Its maximal length is approximately 500 millimeters, but it should be more than enough to provide you with a drastic buff in terms of versatility. Now, the only thing that you won't like about DJI's Osmo Pocket camera is the fact that it needs to be used with a smartphone and its performance is pretty limited as a standalone camera. However, since it's compatible with virtually every smartphone available, excluding the models with heavily outdated OS, this shouldn't be too much of a problem. All things considered, the DJI Osmo Pocket is a top-shelf portable camera that offers fresh, new options for shooting YouTube clips and videos. Consider it if you're traveling, constantly on the move, or if space is usually a big issue for you. You simply can't go wrong if you go with Canon cameras, regardless of your walk of life. Bloggers, YouTube influencers, vloggers, professional photographers, students, and pretty much everyone loves this brand. However, that's mainly due to the fact that they boast a massively versatile catalog of top-shelf camera models. We've plucked out the EOS M50 mirrorless vlogging camera kit as our top vlogging pick due to the obvious reasons, so let's briefly touch upon the benefits it will be able to provide you. First and most importantly, this is a specially designed, custom-fit camera that sports wide-angle mirrorless lens, a dual-pixel CMOS sensor, a remarkably fast and precise autofocus, and more importantly, it sports 24.1 megapixels, which is absolutely incredible. Not only will you be able to drastically increase your audience's following with top-shelf pictures, clips, and films, but you will also be able to completely put your trust in the reliability of EOS M50 as it offers steady, consistent performance at all times. Furthermore, it sports a vari-angle touchscreen brightly lit LCD screen that can easily tilt in numerous directions, allowing you to benefit from enhanced flexibility, which will in turn provide you with means to approach any kind of film shooting situation. Additionally, the vari-angle LCD display is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. It was designed in such a way that it provides easy, quick, and direct access to filmed footage, but it also provides you with means to instantly edit your photos and clips. Moreover, the Canon EOS M50 features an integrated high-resolution electronic viewfinder that sports about 2,360,000 dots, which means that you'll be able to grab, spot, and ultimately capture ultra-realistic and vivid footage. In terms of handheld comfort, the EOS M50 rocks a grippy, textured surface and a highly ergonomic design. This is a perfect camera for vloggers who want to freely move about as they're taking quality photos and videos. The exceptional comfort rating paired with a ridiculous amount of megapixels this camera offers are a perfect combination for on-the-go photography and movie making. Just like most Canon camera models, the EOS M50 is highly customizable. Some of the most popular accessories that are compatible with this camera are the quality handmade strap, various micro SDHC cards, and mount adapters, all of which are scattered across numerous value bundles. The only thing that might come in your way of completely falling in love with the EOS M50 is its slightly heftier price tag. However, given the fact that Canon EOS M50 comes supplied with such a huge and versatile array of bleeding-edge technologies and features, we dare say that it's more than worth the money. An action camera is a tool designed for people who want to capture a special moment while also living it to the fullest. These cameras allow you to snap instant photos and film continuous footage while also still being able to immerse yourself in the very moment you are filming. Obviously, GoPro has some of the finest action cameras to offer, and we've taken the Hero 7 as our best action camera for YouTube in 2020. Essentially, the GoPro Hero 7 is a top-shelf 4K camera that offers ultra-smooth performance, seamless streaming at 720 pixels, a rugged case, and a ton of high-quality convenient modes that support its massive versatility. Starting from the very top, this is a 4K budget camera. Most people are shocked when they discover that GoPro Hero 7 is actually just a couple of dollars more expensive in comparison to most entry-level cameras, which is pretty interesting since it's capable of shooting 4K videos and photos. Secondly, the GoPro Hero 7 offers ultra-smooth performance due to built-in gimbal stabilization. The camera comes supplied with a variety of features that help eliminate screen shake, which in turn delivers accurate, precise footage as a result. The time warp is one of the most interesting features of the GoPro Hero 7. Stabilization features stretch across time-lapse shooting modes, which is just one of the many reasons why this is easily one of the strongest, most reliable action cameras you can find on the market in 2020. The instant live streaming at 720 pixels brings you closer to your family and friends, as you'll gain the opportunity to share your action videos and photos instantly on any social media. The live streaming can also be processed via GoPro app if you want to save up some storage space, leaving you with more room for your other footage. Additionally, the GoPro Hero 7 is substantially more durable than any budget camera. It features a waterproof and exceptionally sturdy shell that can survive being submerged up to 10 meters in water. Moreover, the Super Photo mode applies HDR and local tone mapping, alternatively noise reduction if needed, to your footage, which simplifies and reduces the need for future edits. The trade-off with GoPro Hero 7 is that it only features 12 megapixels, which means that you won't exactly be able to take the most vivid photos and videos. However, every other feature it comes supplied with is vastly superior to most budget and mid-price cameras. If you're on the market looking for the best traveling companion, we recommend checking Sony's RX100 Mark VII out. This is a boutique-level 20.1 MP camera that sports exceptionally precise CMOS sensor, nearly instantaneous autofocus shutter speed, superb phase detection, up to approximately 20 frames per second, blackout-free shooting, AI-based real-time tracking, and 4K video capability. The main reason why we've declared the Sony's RX100 Mark VII out as the best travel camera is that it comes outfitted with the Zeiss Sonnar large aperture high magnification zoom lens. Basically, there's no loss of detail no matter how far you zoom in, which is perfect for capturing completely authentic images and taking lifelike videos of most important landmarks in the cities and countries you are traveling in. The numerous autofocus and detection features and technologies heavily complement its ability to capture premium quality footage, and it's pretty safe to say that you don't need a speck of skill to take professional grade clips and shots with it. Sony's RX100 Mark VII is exceptionally customizable, but it's pretty close to perfection as is. Apart from the hefty price tag, there's not a single thing about this camera that leaves room for improvement, at least in our humble opinion. Let's wrap it up with the Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark III. This camera offers the most ideal combination of features and technologies a vlogger could possibly utilize, so let's see what it can offer to you. Essentially, this is one of the strongest, best-rounded boutique cameras out there, and you can rest assured that you'll be able to capture every single one of those special moments with as much authenticity as possible. Performance-wise, this is easily the ultimate Sony camera. It offers 8 frames per second as far as continuous shooting speed goes, 20.1 megapixels, a 1-inch CMOS sensor, DIGIC 8 image processor, 4.2 times zoom, 4K capability, and the list goes on and on. In short, everything you see and can imagine will be filtered through all of these features, resulting in an even better looking image or clip. Another very cool feature about this camera is the fact that it's petite and exceptionally durable. Its dimensions measure 1.6 inches by 4.1 inches by 2.4 inches, and it weighs approximately 0.82 pounds. Flexible angles are provided with the Vari-Angle LCD tiltable display, which means that you can set your new camera up to film your vlogs pretty much anywhere you might find yourself to be. Of course, just like any other high-quality boutique camera, the Canon PowerShot features numerous live stream settings, which is a must-have for any vlogger worth their salt. Again, the only thing that you might not like so much about it is the fact that it costs a small fortune. However, if money is not too much of an issue for you, this is a no-brainer. The Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark III offers the best rounded performance and is the ultimate jack of all trades. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.